Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited today, honey. The coupon guy sent us 4 inserts. 4 inserts. Do you know how many free products that is with 4 inserts? Y'all better go and get y'all inserts. I'm on my way to get my inserts. I get mine on Saturday from Menards. I heard, well, in Illinois they went up on their prices. So they was $150, now they're $215. And you still gonna win anyway it go, because I'm probably gonna get like 5 or 6 papers today. That still is gonna save me a lot of money. So I'm gonna spend about $10 out of pocket for papers, or $11 out of pocket for papers. And I mean, I'm still gonna save way more than $11 using my coupon. So if you live in Illinois, or today, make sure you get your papers. Either you get them on Saturday or get them on Sunday, because this week is a great week to start couponing. Start your 2020 off saving money. So this is a great week. When I get my inserts, I'm gonna come back on here and show you what items to get from Dollar Tree with these coupons. I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm probably gonna do a Ibotta haul today. If I don't spend too much time in a Dollar Tree, I'm probably gonna do a Ibotta haul. I'll show you what coupons I got when I come back. Okay, so I got my coupons for Menards, and I'm just gonna go through and show y'all some of the coupons that work, or that you maybe can use at the Dollar Tree on items that I've seen. The first one is what is this? 2 Snickers or Mars. So this coupon, we're gonna start with let's see what this is, the Retail Me Not. So Retail Me Not of January 4th, or is this? It'll be 5th. It'll be January 5th. So your Sunday newspaper. So the first coupon is this $1 off Snickers. Now I don't know if the ounces is valid or not. I haven't went to the Dollar Tree yet, but that's one coupon that you can use. Again, each Dollar Tree is different, so every Dollar Tree varies. So mileage may vary. So I'm just showing what I've seen at my Dollar Trees in my area. I live in the Chicagoland area. So I'm just showing you what ones I've seen. They sell Skittles. So this Skittle coupon. Again, I'm going to the Dollar Tree after I show y'all these coupons, so I'll let you know if they work or not. So in my Trick Off Tuesday video, make sure you watch that. I'm gonna show you if these coupons work, beep or what. So here's the Skittles. Okay. They sell Emergency at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's an 8 count or not, but that coupon should work at the Dollar Tree. Emergency. That coupon right there. They sell Advil at the Dollar Tree. So this is another coupon that could possibly work. Again, I'm going to try it, but they do sell Advil. So Advil. And it doesn't have a restriction on there. So it doesn't have like a 8 count, 2 count. It says on any Advil. That $3 coupon has to be adjusted at the Dollar Tree. Usually the cashier's adjust it. If the computer doesn't adjust it, the cashier's adjust it. Advil, all these will be free. The Advil with the $3 coupon, and the Advil with this $1 or $3 coupon. So those will be free with that coupon at the Dollar Tree. And then that's all the coupons. They also sell Snuggle. I've seen Snuggle, so I'm gonna see if that Snuggle coupon works. And I have never seen All. I'm not sure about the All. I can't remember if they sell All or not, but I'll know when I go in there and check today. So that's it in the Smart Source. What is this? I'm sorry, the Retail Me Not. So that's all the coupons in there. All right, now the second Retail Me Not is more beauty coupons. They really don't sell that much beauty. I items in the Dollar Tree, except for like every now and then you can find that L'Oreal that I've hauled. But that's it. They only really sell Wet n Wild. Every now and then they'll sell some Revlon, but for the most part, they don't really sell that many name brand makeup products. Elf usually have a coupon, but I haven't seen an Elf coupon in a while. They got Maybelline coupons. I mean, if you have them in your Dollar Tree, then you can use those, but I haven't seen them in none of my Dollar Trees. So I'm going to go through this paper pretty quick because we don't have any of those products at the Dollar Tree. Alright, so this is Excedrin. You can use that at the Dollar Tree, and it's $1.50 off. Sometimes it adjusts to $1, or they have to manually put it in. So that $1.50 off is for the Dollar Tree. This Nestle water is back. They sell a 6-pack of Nestle water, and this coupon works for that 6-pack. So if you get the Retail Me Not, that's in that insert, this Nestle water. That'll be free. I think, well, it'd be 50 cents per two-pack. So that's it for that paper. That's the second Retail Me Not. Now the Smart Source. These dollar coupons, all of them work. All of these coupons work in a Dollar Tree. Well, I'm not gonna say they work. I don't know if they work until after I do my trick off Tuesday, but I've been using them. So all these are at the Dollar Tree. This Colgate, make it free. This toothbrush makes that toothbrush free. It's a travel size toothbrush. And I've never seen any Colgate mouthwash, but that'll be free too if they have any Colgate mouthwash. So all that stuff will be free with those coupons. This Jergens coupon on that Jergens moisturizing hand wash. I use that coupon here, so you can use that at the Dollar Tree. The big coupon, I don't know if it's gonna work on that big razor that I hauled last week, but I'll see. I'll see if it works. It'll have to be adjusted to $1, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'll see when I get in there. Finish tabs, they have them in my Dollar Tree. This coupon always beeps for me, so it's probably gonna have to be adjusted with this coupon, but those will be free with this coupon right here. These Pirate Booties, that'll be free with this coupon. There's Pirate Booties chips. I actually like them. I hauled them in one of my Dollar Trees, so with this coupon it'll be free. Aleve, this is the Aleve coupon. If you take that in the Dollar Tree, it'll also be free. Save $4 off Aleve. So that coupon works. Sir, in your at your Dollar Tree, this is the coupon for the Alka-Seltzer. Skinny Pop. This Skinny Pop coupon works. It'll be free Skinny Pop. I actually like Skinny Pop. So with this coupon, it'll be free. Free, free, free. This Frigo coupon, I've used that also before. I used that actually on my last week haul. It was a printable coupon. It said like 50 cents, or was it $1? I can't remember. It was either 50 cents or $1 off any Frigo cheese product. This one in the paper says it has a restriction. It has an 8-count. It's when you buy one Frigo cheese head string cheese product. So this is for the string cheese product. I'm gonna see if it works, because I think in the Dollar Tree, the one that I got last week was a 3-count. And then here are the Lysol coupons. These coupons also can be used in the Dollar Tree for the Lysol products. I don't know if I'm gonna get any Lysol. I got a lot of Lysol products from the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. I might use 1 or 2 of them, but I got a lot of Lysol wipes and stuff from the Dollar Tree. And that's all that's in this Smart Source. And the last one that we got is the second Smart Source. Let's see what's in here. This coupon usually works in a Dollar Tree. This $1 off any two. I've used that coupon before in a Dollar Tree. These two coupons right here I've used for the fruit roll-ups. I used that. Save $1 off any two, makes them 50 cents. And this one is save 50 cents off any two. They're getting a little stingy because that one usually be $1. Save $1 off two. But if you use that and you like them, it'll be 50 cents. They'll be what, 75 cents a piece. And then on the back here are the cereal coupons. So this is the one for the Cheerios. When I haul the Cheerios, that's the coupon that I use. That coupon right here. When I haul the Reese's Puffs and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, this is the coupon that I use right there. And then I usually don't get the checks or the Wheaties. I usually don't get none of those. If your store has Mucinex, this is the coupon that works. It scanned last time I used it. It scanned. It just adjusts down to $1. So if your Dollar Tree has any Mucinex, this is the coupon you use to get the Mucinex for free. The Kleenex, that's the coupon for the Kleenex. It's, let's see. They're making it buy 4 and get $1 off, so they're gonna make them 75 cents a piece. That's the coupon for the Viva. They sell Viva paper towels. I've never used that coupon. Maybe I'll use it this time. But that's the Viva, and that's for the Kleenex at the Dollar Tree. This is the coupon to get free Tylenol right here. Free Tylenol with this coupon right here. If you got this coupon, take it to the Dollar Tree. It scanned last month. I don't know if it's gonna scan until I try it. Again, make sure you stay tuned for my Dollar Tree Trick Off Tuesday haul. I'll let you know if it's scanned or not. All right, this Mott's apple juice coupon. I've used it at the Dollar Tree before to get 50 cent my apple juice. They usually sell a lot of it. They have a lot of it. I haven't checked lately. But if you use this coupon, it'll be free. It says what? Oh, 50 cent on 2. Oh, that sucks. Last time was 50 cent off 1. So now with this coupon, it'll be 75 cents a piece, which is still good for apple juice. 75 cents a piece with this coupon. And it says any size or flavor for the Mott's apple juice. Any size or flavor. So that coupon worked. And the last coupon that's in this insert is for this Texas Pete hot sauce. It'll be free if you have that at your Dollar Tree. This Texas Pete hot sauce. Alright, so I'm about to go to the Dollar Tree and try out some of these coupons and see which ones work. And again, stay tuned on Tuesday to get an update of which coupons work. In the meantime, honey, go get you some coupons right now. Right now, go get you some coupons. If you got a Menards in your area, go get them. They are $2.15. Send them Menards. At the Dollar Tree, they're $1, but I got to see did all the inserts come in there. So when I get in the Dollar Tree, I'm going to buy a newspaper to see if all the inserts come in there. People be stealing inserts out of the ones in the Dollar Tree. So I just trust my Menards because it's kind of hard to steal inserts out of Menards, I would think. But Dollar Tree is a little different. So when I go to the Dollar Tree, I'll let you know if all 4 inserts is in there. If so, go to the Dollar Tree and get your inserts out your Sunday newspaper today or tomorrow. And then again, I'll do a follow-up to this video on Tuesday and let you know which coupons work. Thank you for watching. It's Beauty Passion. Hecky now, Joe. And I'm out.